Hello everyone. Okay, now with the continuation of my first lecture on interhalogen compounds, now I am going to discuss about the interhalogen compounds of the type AX5. Now let us discuss about the preparation and properties of bromine pentafluoride. Now how can you prepare bromine pentafluoride? Bromine pentafluoride, it can easily prepared with the reaction between bromine and excess amount of fluorine with 1:5 molar ratio. That is the chemical equation for the formation of bromine pentafluoride. Br2 plus 5F2, it will provide 2BrF5. Next is, what are the properties of bromine pentafluoride? So bromine pentafluoride, it is basically a colorless liquid at ordinary temperature and it is highly reactive compound. Next is, many metals and non-metals catch fire when they are dropped into the liquid. Another important is, after hydrolysis of bromine pentafluoride, it will give hydrogen fluoride and hydrogen bromo trioxide, that is BrF5 plus 3H2O, it will provide 5HA plus HBrO3. Next is iodine pentafluoride. So iodine pentafluoride, it can be prepared by two methods. So first method is when that silver fluoride heated with iodine, it will provide iodine pentafluoride and silver iodide as a byproduct. So this is the chemical equations. 10 AgA plus 6I2, it will provide 2IF5 plus 10 AgI. In the second method, so iodine pentafluoride also involves two steps. First is when iodine and fluorine reacted each other, it will form iodine pentafluoride, and further when iodine pentoxide reacted with fluorine, it will form iodine pentafluoride. So iodine pentafluoride is basically liquid in nature and it conducts electricity, and during the conduction of electricity, it ionizes and it will generate IF4 plus ion and IF6 minus ions. Iodine pentafluoride, it is undergoes readily hydrolysis in presence of water and it will form hydrogen fluoride as well as hydrogen iodide trioxide compound. So this is the chemical equations. IF5 plus 3H2, that is 5HA plus HiO3. Next, when potassium iodide reacted with iodine pentafluoride, it will form a complex salt of potassium iodine hexafluoride. Now I am going to discuss about the structure of iodine pentafluoride. Now this is the molecular formula of iodine pentafluoride, and you can see that here iodine is a central atom and the 5 fluorine surrounded and this 5 fluorine is surrounded on iodine atom. Now if you look at the ground state electronic configuration of the iodine, it is 5s2 5p7, and now this is the excited state electronic configuration of iodine. Now here you can see during upon excited state iodine, it will generate 5 unpaired electron. Now you have 5 fluorine, so each of these 5 fluorine can donate their single electron to pair up and to form a sigma bond. So overall the hybridization of this compound central atom of the iodine is sp3d2. Now this is the structure of iodine pentafluoride. Now you can see this is hybridization is sp3d, and here the central atom is iodine, and the 5 fluorine atom is directly coordinated with iodine atom, and the 6th position, that is occupied by lone pair atom. So the geometry is square pyramidal. So in the presence of one lone pair in the axial position, that molecule converts to the shape of the regular octahedron to square pyramidal geometry. Next I will discuss about the interhalogen compound of the type AX7. So as I already mentioned that AX7, that iodine heptafluoride, it belongs to the AX7 type of interhalogen compounds. So how can you prepare this compound? So iodine heptafluoride, it can easily prepared by the combination of iodine pentafluoride with fluorine at 525 to 550 Kelvin temperature. Now the properties of iodine heptafluoride. Iodine heptafluoride, it undergoes hydrolysis and giving hydrogen fluoride and H5IO6 compound. So this is the chemical equation for the above reactions. IF7 plus 6H2, it will provide 7HF plus H5IO6. So it is a powerful fluorinating agent. Please remember here iodine heptafluoride, it is a powerful fluorinating agent. Next I will discuss about the structure of iodine heptafluoride. Now here the molecular formula of iodine heptafluoride is IF7, and the compound, it has pentagonal bipyramidal structure, and the hybridization of the central iodine atom is sp3d3. So this is the excited state electronic configuration of the central iodine atom. Now each of these 7 fluorine atom, it can donate their electron to form a sigma bond, and the structure of iodine heptafluoride is pentagonal bipyramidal. Now you can see that this is the pentagon, and each of this axial position is occupied by fluorine atom. Next one important question came in every exam, like explain why ICl7 does not exist but IF7 exists. So the answer is steric factor. So steric factor are responsible for the formation of IF7, not ICl7. So you can see the size of fluorine and chlorine, that fluorine is smaller than chlorine. So iodine can accommodate 7 fluorine atom around it, but not the bigger 7 chlorine atom. So therefore there is no possibility for the formation of ICl7. Next, so dear students, please follow these 2 lectures on interhalogen compounds. So if you have any doubt, please directly ask me through Google Classroom, and you can also comment on the YouTube section also. So all of you, please stay at home, be safe, and be careful about your health and about your family. Okay, bye. Thank you very much for your watching.